How to see liked post on Facebook. Hi everybody. If you're wanting to see a post you've liked on Facebook, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up your Facebook application into your device and log in into your account. Once you are logged in, you can head over to the menu bar by tapping on the top right corner and this menu opens up. So from here, you can straight head over the gear icon to open up settings and privacy. Once you open up your settings and privacy, you need to scroll down and head over to the section Your Activity, this one right here. Once you are here, you should be finding an option that says Activity Log. You can tap on it and this opens up. So from your activity log under this public post, public tag section, when you swipe right, you will be given more options for your activity log. So go ahead, swipe right until you head over to the likes and reaction section. You can tap on it to view your likes from here. So for now, I have liked one of the posts only, so I only have one notification. But if you have done more, you will be finding it right under this section right here. So that is it for now. That is how you basically see like posts on Facebook. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And thank you for watching this video.